Hello world, welcome to Python Things. Our today's lecture is on strings. So let's start. What is a string? String is the collection of sequence character or characters. Means if it is a single character, just H, then it is also a string. If it is complete phrase, complete paragraph, it is also a string. So there are many ways to define a string. First, we can use double quotes or we can use single quotes also. So this line and this line, these two lines are completely same. It is not different. So if we print this, it will print the same result. Hello world. So this is single line string. There is one more which is multi-line string. So for multi-line string, as we already seen in our comment video, we can use triple quotes. Either it is single or double. Means we can use this also for multi-line string. If we print this, let's print this and comment this part. Save it, run it. So this is our multi-line string. Next is how to check whether a phrase or character or any substring present in our string or not. So we can use in keyword for that. So let's say this is our message one, a string. We are going to check whether multi in message one or not. So let's print it so we can see the result is true. So do one thing, comment this. So we can see multi string or substring is in our string. If we change it to multi one, save it and run it, it will return false because this multi one is not in our string. So it is returning false. If we write not in, then it will reverse the process or it will reverse the result. So now multi one not in message one. This is true because multi one is not there in the string. Sorry, save it and run it. So this return true. And if we change it to multi, it will return false. So this is how we can check whether a substring is present or not present in our string. Next is length of string. How to check or how to find the length of the string. So we can use len function for that. Let's comment this also and move to this. So there is a string message hello world. Let's check the length of the string. So it returns 11. 1 2 3 4 5 1 space yani, means 6 7 8 9 10 11. So the length of the string is 11. So the len function will be used to find the length of the string. Next is string slicing or find the index value of our string. The first thing in any programming language, the indexing starts from 0, not 1. We can say the counting start from 0, not 1. So this h is not in the position of 1, it is the position of 0. So if we count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if we print the index value of 1, it won't print H, it will print the value E. Let's check. So we can see it prints E because one index is E, not H. So if this is how indexing works and how to slice a particular string. Slicing means like divide a string into substring. So this is the syntax. This is our variable name. Then this will be our starting index. This will be our ending index, and this will be steps. So how it works? Let's say you want to print or you want to slice the string from E to last of the string. So we can use this. It will start from first index, yani, means E, and it will end till the end of the string. Let's print it. So you can see it starts from E and end till the end of the string. And if we add, so what was the length of the string? We see that the length of the string was 11. Let's print it again. Save it, run it. So we can see the length of the string is 11. So 11 means if we go till 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10th element is our D. In string slicing, this 10th index, if we whatever we pass in the end index, it will be excluded, not included. So now this will print till L, not till D. Let's print it. So we can see it took only till L, not till D. So for that, if we pass 11, then it will print till D. There is one more thing in this, which is called negative indexing. So how negative indexing works? Like from front, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. From back, it will be like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So if we just print the value of -1, it will print D. So this is the -1 index. So we can use it for the same thing for slicing also. 1 to -1. -1 means till D, but exclude the D. So it will be print from E to L. So let's print it. So it print till L only. So what is the use of third? This is the steps. Steps means right now the steps is 1. By default it is 1. Means it won't skip any index. It will just move E, L, L, O. But when you define 2 here, then it will start from first index means E. It will end till D, and it will skip 2 index means E, then this L, then this space, then this O, then this L. Let's print it. So we can see E, L, space, O, L. if we define here 3, then it will print EOO, means E, skip these two, then O, skip these two, then O, and skip these two, and till L it will run. So this is how strings slicing works. Run it, practice it, and apply multiple experiment, multiple numbers, multiple things on this string slicing, because this is the most important topic in our Python, because slicing works in many places, which will help you if you practice it more. Next is string concatenation. Concatenation means join the string together. So we define a variable name, which value is Python, again a variable name message, and we are trying to concatenate the string. So this plus symbol is used to concatenate the strings. So we can see this plus symbol was used in operator uh, as a addition operator, which add two numbers. So we can say this plus operator is can be used for multiple or different use cases. If we are if we are using it for two numbers, then it will add them. But if we use it for two strings, it will join them. So let's print this first, save it, clear it, and run it. So we can see hello, then we add plus a space and name, which is Python. So hello space Python. Now if we try to concatenate a string with a number, which is 37, let's check what will happen. Let's comment this and run it. So we can see it throw a error, line number 92 in module text this is our code, type error, can only concatenate str not int. So we can't concatenate a number with the string. So if you remember in our data types lecture, we talked about casting, data type casting, how to cast a data type. We need to convert this into a string. Now this age is a string, and we just try to concatenate this with the string only. If we save it and run it, then it will print I am 37 years old. So we can't concatenate a string with the integer value. It should be string only. Let's move forward. Our another topic is string formatting. So instead of changing it to or casting it to string, we can use formatting also. So in this area, when we define this curly braces, we have to use this dot format function, and we can pass any value, whether it is integer, it is float, it is string. It will automatically convert it into string and pass it to the string. Okay, let's print it. So we can see I am 37 years old. There are other example of string formatting. Let's say we can pass name, um, John, and my name is John. I am 37 years old. And here name. So now what will happen? In the first place, it will took the value of first place, and in the second one, it will take the value of second one. Let's print it. My name is John. I am 37-year old. But let's say we have added one more, then it will throw the error because we have only two values and we are saying that it has three values. So replacement index 2 out of range for positional ARGS tuple. So if we are using here curly braces two times, then the value should be also 2. One more way we can use the index formatting. Let's say 1 and 0, and now we pass age first and name later. So we can see my name is John. I am 37 years old. Because first it will take the index 1 value here. So 0 and 1. This is the one index value. And if we change it back to name, then it will print my name is 37. I am John years old. So this is how it works. We can change it to this also. So this is our index formatting. So we can see, you can see that there are different type of formatting here we can use. Let's move on to another topic. Inbuilt function of string. So this is the last topic in strings. So strings have some inbuilt functions, like let's say we have a message or we have a string which is hello world, and we need to convert this string into uppercase. So when we use upper function, it will convert this string in completely uppercase letter. Let's print it. So we can see all letters are capital. Hello world. We can use lower also. It will convert the string into lowercase. We can use capitalize. So it will capital first letter only and lowercase the complete letters. There are some other strip. For strip, we need to change the string so that you can understand. So as we can see, there are one white space in front or in the beginning and one white space in the end. When we use this strip function, it will delete these white spaces from the beginning and the end. Let's print it. So we can see spaces are removed. Now another is replace. Let's say we want to replace a word or a character or anything with another, like okay, we change this word to Python, save it and run it. So we can see instead of hello world, it replaced to hello Python. So this is how our replace function works. There is one more, split. um, by space. So it will split the string by space. If we add something more here, so let's print it. We can see this string is splitted by space, and these three value we get hello, world, and here. This is a list. So split function return the list value. So there are so many other functions in this string which is inbuilt functions. Go through them and learn them, because as I said, strings in Python is really important, which is used in so many places, in so many projects. So learn it, expand it, practice more and more. Then only you will understand the strings. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next lecture. If you have any doubt, comment it. Thank you.